Hello, in this video we will discuss how we can show formulas which we have used in different calculation on a sheet. Sometimes we do some uh, Excel work for our customer, and it is the requirement of the customer that we have to also show the formulas, because some financial calculations they need to validate whether the formulas used are correct or not. It can be for any requirement. There are two ways. One way is, you can see there is a data in front of you here in the total, the percentage calculation, and the for the printing of fail and pass. I have used these. I have used different formulas. Okay, so we can create a separate table like this on right hand side, where we can display the formulas used in different columns. There are two ways. One way is that if you go to the formula bar, this formula tab, click on the show formulas. This is one option. When you will click, you can see automatically the formulas are shown here. But in this case, the problem is in this option that it will show the formulas, but the result is not shown here. But we want to show the table with all the calculations and the formulas separately. So therefore, we will use another option. Uncheck this. So it will hide the formulas. We want to show this data, the calculation, and as well as the formulas. Formulas you can print anywhere. You can print on the same sheet, or you can go to the new tab, and in the new sheet you can show separately. It is up to you how you want. So it is very simple. Before we learn the method to show the formula, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button. So if you get and so you can receive my new videos as well. I have a full videos on Excel, a full series playlist. You can go and learn the basic tips of Excel as well. Okay, let's start. Here is the total. I will show in this cell the formula used in total, and the percentage formula I will display here, and the fail and pass, how I decided it is fail and pass, its formula will be used here. Click the cell, press equal to sign, and there is a function formula, formula text. Use this formula text function and select the cell where the formula is implemented. Select, bracket close, and you can see the formula you used in total is displayed here. Similarly, we will use percent for percentage. Oh, sorry, yeah, percentage formula, formula text, and then click on the percentage cell here. The formula will be displayed. And similarly for pass and fail, okay, in this way, you can create a separate table where you can show all the formulas used in these calculations, so that your customer or even later on you yourself can validate whether the formula used are correct or not. Thank you for watching my video.